Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Hey, today, the day after Thanksgiving, I have so much to give thanks for. My family, my YouTube channel, all the people who watch and support me. I just want to give you a Thanksgiving thank you. I really appreciate all you do and all you've done for me. So while the wife and kids were out shopping, doing Black Friday shopping, I did a little shopping myself, and I just thought maybe I'd show you what I picked up. So I was out just driving the neighborhood. I noticed there were a few people having yard sales and garage sales, and I was able to pick up this Makita case and drill. It's got a drill here, 18 volt, half inch. It also has the charger with it, the battery charger. But the one thing it doesn't have is it doesn't have any batteries. It has no batteries at all. So I got a really good deal on this though. I picked it up for like $10. Case, charger, and a drill, which I wasn't sure if it worked or not because I didn't have a battery for it. But I did have a compatible battery that my neighbor has, that because he uses Makita, and so I used his batteries to test. And then I went out and thought I would purchase my own, so I did. Same day delivery, guys. I picked up a 2-pack 60 AH batteries for, I want to say it was $54 or $55 on Amazon. Same day delivery, which I was really shocked. Usually it's 2-day, but got a same day delivery on it. And I was going to show you the drill works. So for $10, I got the case, the charger. I picked up, spent another $50, $60 for a 2-pack of 6AH. Now these are off-branded batteries, but I don't care. I'm just going to use this around the house, and I'm sure they'll be fine. I will, matter of fact, this one even has the model number. It's a BL1860B. I'll put a link down in the description, so if you're interested in checking them out, you can. But anyway, so just wanted to give you and show you what I found on Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving on Black Friday. While everyone else was out shopping, I was driving the neighborhood and checking out garage sales. So that was my find for the year. I thought it was really pretty good, and I wanted to share it with you. Hopefully, if this was helpful, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And until next time, stay safe.